So I want to give you a little overview of how we implemented our CHS-8QI attachable scanner on the back of your HP ElitePad with your retail case. And I used your mounting block, which I think is very nice. You can mount it on either side of the retail case. Now I'm right-handed, so it's more convenient for me to hold the device in my left hand and then use my thumb to trigger the scanner. But of course, you can mount it on the other side if you prefer to hold the scanner in your right hand. In your right hand. Now, I don't know if you can see on the screen here, but there's a little icon there of our scanner, and that's our scanner settings app. So there's a few different options there that have to do with pairing, but I want to show you how the scanner settings works. Now, I launched the app. It'll take a moment. You see that field is blank, is empty. It's going to find the scanner in a minute, and it did. So I press OK. And that meant that it found the scanner. And you can see it's scanning now. And you can see when I scanned, I'm sorry, it's a little awkward the way I'm holding it, but you can see it loaded the data into an open text box. Oops. So that's the way that works. And then I wanted to show you if I open the scanner settings again. Okay, so I launched scanner settings, and the app is coming up. It'll take a few moments, and you see this screen is blank. And then you'll see this scanner shows. So I want that scanner, and I can hit Properties. And I want to show you this because if you use our SDK and connect the scanner using SPP mode to the platform, you don't have a one-direction communication from the device to the host as you do in HID mode. You have a bidirectional, two-way serial communication. And then there's a lot more things you can do. So right now it's collecting all the data. And you'll notice it has the battery life, the firmware level, Bluetooth. And you'll also notice if I go to configuration, it gives me lots of different options to enable the beep, the flash for good scans, vibrate, and then also different options to add suffixes and prefixes. And then if I go to configure to symbologies, you can turn on and off symbologies. And if I go to statistics, it'll give you a lot of statistics on how the scanner has been used. So every feature, every aspect of the scanner that can be controlled via command barcodes or keystrokes or button taps can be done programmatically using APIs if you use our SDK and connect the scanner via SPP mode to the host. In this case, of course, it's Windows Mobile.